focusing on the whole range or on the grill?
I'd like for you to focus on the 48-inch range. Tell me all the different qualities that it has, and thank you, Allie, for discussing our Thermador.
Well, you're welcome. This is the Thermador Pro Grand Steam Range. It's the ultimate culinary center because it features a steam oven, the warming drawer, and the full-size oven, all in one product in 48 inches.
Thank you.
The steam oven is the top, and we have the warmer drawer on
Right, the warming drawer
the bottom.
with the full surface. You can fit a full pan in there. And the steam oven, which features 3 levels for cooking on every level. You can do a 13-pound turkey in the steam oven in 90 minutes. So it's fast and healthy and seals in the juices and is great for browning. This is a regular convection oven as well. You can use full steam or the combination of steam and convection. So really the versatility is you have the ultimate versatility in a steam oven.
And what size do we have on the?
So here we have a 30-inch. We have a 30-inch cavity, convection cavity, with 3 gliding racks that are adjustable. And all of the doors and the drawer have a soft close hinge, just like most of the cabinetry with the soft close hinges. So then, moving to the surface, so our Pro ranges feature the star burner, and the benefit of the star burner is that you have heat going into the pan and out to the pan. So you have the even flame spread across the bottom of the surface of the pan. And what that does, more flame means faster heat up time. So you get faster boil up times and more flame coverage. And for easy...
A lot of times too with the other type
of burners.
You burn the outer.
Right, you'll get the
center
outside. And you can see the boiling happens on the outer side of your pan, but the inside. And this flame really covers more of the pan. And what's also nice is for small pan cooking, the smaller your pan is, then the circle really stays around the outside, and this brings it in. And so what's also nice is that we have the Pedestal star burner, which makes for easy cleaning in and around the complete burner. And these are really easy to clean spill trays. And then...
And this is light, what's the weight? Are these dishwashable, or you recommend not to?
I'd probably say the sink is the best.
The sink, okay.
And then also on our Pro Grand Steam range, we have extra low cooking, and these aren't powered with gas. That's why you hear that clicking. So in extra low, between simmer and extra low is a whole nother setting of functionality for extra low cooking, and in that cycle the flame will turn on and off, and it will cycle in a 60-minute period on and off. And what that does is it applies heat and then removes it, applies heat and removes it. It's the flame coming on and off. And what that does, it allows you to remain really low all day long without scorching and without even having to stir. So a pot of chili, I would turn on into extra low, and I could leave it there all day and it would stay warm for me and at safe food temperatures, but I wouldn't have to go back constantly and stir it because there's no scorching happening because of that flame coming on, cooling down a little bit, coming on, cooling down a little bit.
What does that do with the food, though? I mean, it holds its own heat, and it
in essence,
adjusts itself.
It's comparable to how a crock pot works. A crock pot goes all day, and you never have to stir it because it's managing that heat for you, and that's what the extra low cycle is doing.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah. So that's available, and then we move over to the new grill. The grill is launching right now, and what our grill is known for is no flare-ups, even heat control, and grease management. So about the heat control, we have two knobs, one that controls the front and one that controls the back zone. So that means I can do surf and turf, I can do burger and bun, or protein and veggies with two different temperatures, or I can just spread the whole thing and put it all on high and do a lot of burgers.
And I see that it's evenly heated, yes?
Yes, it's evenly heated, and you have fast preheat times because this grate, the element and the grate contact each other. So the direct heat means fast preheat times and consistent heat throughout. But it also ensures that as grease drips through the grate, it does not touch the element and cause flare-ups because it has this edge that really laps over the element. You see it's dimensional. And so it lays right on top of there. So the grease goes not on the element but past it to the briquettes. And so then...
You said, so you're launching this, meaning
Yes.
you've had the basic 48-inch body,
Right.
and then you're just launching this as an additional...
Another component
Element or
of
component.
flexibility and customization to the top.
Oh, very nice. So usually, like every once in a while, you'll launch another element to your existing product that makes it very unique once again, right?
So you can really personalize your surface based on how you like to cook.
Okay.
And so one other thing that customers, cleanability is really one of the key components in cooking, and being able to clean up fast and easy. And this really allows you to do that because the briquettes, the grease drips off of them down into the perforated holes that we have in this tray. And then this complete tray lifts out, and you can wipe the entire surface underneath clean because there's another box below it. So you have really complete grease management within this one system.